Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Dr. Femi here from the Print Haven. Today I'm talking about how to start your corporate gifting business in Nigeria in 2022. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you don't want to miss it. We have such amazing content for you to learn from. Like our channel please, and also leave a comment. I'll be right back. Welcome back guys. As I said earlier, we're going to be talking about corporate gifting and how you can start your business in Nigeria in 2022. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take 1 second and click on the subscribe button. Also remember to turn on your notification bells, guys. You don't want to miss any of our amazing content that we dish out every week. And also please leave us a comment. Let us know what topics you're interested in, or if you have questions, just leave it in the comment section. I will be sure to answer you. So let's get onto it. So if you live in Nigeria and if you want to start your corporate gifting business, there are a few things, there are a few pointers you need to know. There are a few questions you need to ask yourself, and I'll be going through it in this video. First and foremost, you have to know what niche you want to play in. Before I digress, what is corporate gifting? Basically, you're working with corporate clients and you're assisting them in providing gifts for their clients, for their employees, or for their suppliers, right? So it's like a B2B, a business to business. So you're catering to other businesses as a business owner. So why corporate gifting? Corporate gifting, or why gifting at all? It's an amazing business to go into, because gifting app happens like every millisecond. Someone has a celebration, there is an event, either a corporate or a private event going on all around the world all the time. So it's a very beautiful business to go into. Now, when you want to go into corporate gifting, you want to ask yourself, who do I want to serve? Which clients do I want to serve? There's so many different industries, and you can decide that, oh, I want to niche down. I don't want to play in all the circles. I just want to pick a particular niche that I feel that I like, I'm comfortable with, and I'm knowledgeable about. Like I know I have enough knowledge about the type of gifts that that particular industry will require. So for example, if you want to play in the tech niche, you have to familiarize yourself with tech items, tech related items, right? Like for example, a power bank or a 3-in-1 USB charger or the wireless speaker. They're all techie gadgets, and as you know, over time things evolve. Remember I said in the video, in 2022, what you'll be gifting in 2023 will be different from what you're gifting in 2022, because we as human beings are always evolving. New products are always emerging and coming out, and you have to be abreast of that to be able to give your clients what will be appropriate for their business. So it's important to know what niche you want to play in. It's important to be knowledgeable, to have a vast knowledge of the items that you want to provide for your clients. You also want to decide if you want to if you want to be a luxury corporate gift provider or a regular corporate gift provider, right? You also want to decide, will I source locally? Will I source internationally? You also need to decide if you're going to be the one doing the branding on the items. That's like a whole wide topic, because you have to know your branding methods. You cannot go into this business without knowing your branding methods. There's so many branding methods. I'll be showing you those in a little bit, right? So you have to decide, oh, do I set up a company of my own that will handle the branding internally, or do I outsource the branding? These are important questions you need to ask yourself if you want to go into the corporate gifting industry. Also, don't forget that you need to have a bit of design experience. Your clients, corporate clients, are going to come with you with their logo, and they do not joke with their color differentiations. If, for example, there's a particular shade of red or a particular Pantone of red in their logo, look at my nails red, right? In their logo, there are different shades of red and you cannot mix them up. That's like the first no-no for corporate gifting. You cannot do that. So you have to be very, very, very versatile in the knowledge that you have. You have to be knowledgeable enough to know that you can't make such mistakes. So I'm going to show you a few branding processes. You have to have a fair idea of what they are, so that when you're talking to your clients or when you're doing your presentation, you're talking from a place of authority. So the first item here that I'll just show you quickly, it's an embroidery process. You can see that the S and the wreath has been added onto the towel. A towel is a fantastic corporate gift product. It doesn't go out of fashion. Why? Because people always need towels. The old ones are being thrown out and the new ones are being brought in now. Companies use towels a whole lot all through the year. So it's not like it's a seasonal product. It's something that they give out all through the year. So this is an embroidery process, and the embroidery process works best mostly on apparel and some leather. So you can do a bit of research, or if you want to know more, you can ask us questions at the Print Haven. We're ready to assist you with that. And if you decide that, you know what, I just want to be a sales and marketing person, I don't want to be a branding person, I don't want to be involved in the branding process, the Print Haven can also assist you with that. We help in sourcing, we help in branding, we help in packaging, and we also assist in delivering. So the end-to-end process, which we also call the print-on-demand process. So if you have any orders that you want to fulfill and you don't have any machinery, you don't have any stock of the items, we're here to assist you. So this is an embroidery process. On this pen, we have a pen, which is, also an amazing corporate gift that can be given all year round. The print process here is a UV print. You can do a bit more research about it. Another product here, the journal, has the UV print on it. The beauty of the UV print is you can print the full color, so you're not restricted to one color or two colors. You can actually do the full color print on the items. Now this is another journal. As you can see, this is a UV print, but this is a debossed print on leather. So we actually deboss the logo into the journal with heat. So you can see that even with one product, you can have a variety of print processes going on them. Another print process, this is a 3-in-1 LED charger. This is a laser engraving. So there's so many print processes that you can use depending on what base material has been used to produce the corporate gift. Now, another point to consider when you want to start your business is, do you want to source locally or do you want to source internationally, or do you want to merge? I would advise that you do a merger, because sometimes you might not find the items that your customers want locally and then you have to go internationally. If you have questions on how to get suppliers and their contacts and more information about that, you can leave a question and get in touch with us. So with these few pointers, I hope that you will get in touch with us. Subscribe to our channel. If you're thinking about starting a corporate gifting business, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us a message. And see you guys next time. Bye.